Hi, boys and girls. Today you will be working on pattern block puzzles. You are learning about how smaller shapes can fit into bigger shapes, how smaller shapes can make bigger shapes, and how there is not just one way of fitting in the smaller shapes. Okay, so here is what you do with the pattern block puzzle. All right, let's take a look at the shape that we have here. It looks like, what does it look like? Yes, it looks like a sailboat. So now I'm going to take those smaller pieces of pattern block and I'm going to put it into this bigger one. I'm going to start with my square because I can see where the squares go. There's one, there's another one, and I keep going. All right, and that seems pretty good. All right, now I see a triangle right here, so I'm going to put in a triangle. All right. Now, this part looks like a big trapezoid. So let's see, how can I make up that big trapezoid? I can put one of this in. Let's see if I can put another one of the hexagon in. I can put another hexagon in. It doesn't fit that perfectly, but we'll make it work. All right. Now it looks like I need some triangles. I can see that I could put a triangle here. I need this triangle over here. I need this triangle over here and one more triangle over here. Now the last part is for us to count the shapes and put it down. Okay, how many hexagons do you see? Okay, look. 1 and 2. So now I'm going to write down 2. Okay, curvy on the top, straight down, and straight across. How many rhombuses did I use? So what number do I write? Okay, so I'm going to write a 0. All right, now how many triangles did I use? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so remember when we want to write a 5, pull down a big fat belly and then put a hat, and the hat should be covering the belly. Okay, now did I use any trapezoid? No, so what number do I put down? Yes, I put down a 0. Did I use squares? How many squares? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's write down the 4. Okay, make a small L and then pull down another line. Did I use any of these? No, so what number? That's right, you gotta put 0 down. Okay, all right. But, boys and girls, is there just one way of making this shape? Can you find a different way of making this shape? Remember, last time we learned about how to make shapes with, how to make hexagons with different shapes. So maybe I want to make it a little different, right? So if I do that, I might want to do, that. Now I can't, this is not a hexagon anymore. Might put one here. I might turn it over. All right, now, do I still have 2 hexagons? No. I'm going to erase that off. All right, now how many hexagons do I have? Just 1, right? And do I still have 0 trapezoids? No. So I'm going to erase that off. And I am going to write, there's 1, 2. Okay. So boys and girls, see if you can do this puzzle. See if you can do it differently. Alrighty. So that's what you're doing.